Paying off debt and managing credit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about two important topics, paying off debt and managing credit. These are both crucial skills for anyone who wants to improve their financial health and achieve their goals. So, whether you're struggling with debt or just looking to improve your credit score, this video is for you. First, let's talk about paying off debt. Debt can be a huge burden on your finances and your mental health. It's important to have a plan in place to pay off your debts as soon as possible. One of the most effective strategies for paying off debt is the debt snowball method. This involves paying off your debts in order of smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. This can help you gain momentum and stay motivated as you see your debts disappear one by one. Another key to paying off debt is to avoid taking on new debt. This means living within your means and avoiding unnecessary expenses. You can also look for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle or asking for a raise at work. Now, let's talk about managing credit. Your credit score is a crucial factor in your financial health. It affects everything from your ability to get a loan or a credit card to your insurance rates and even job opportunities. To manage your credit effectively, you need to understand what goes into your credit score and how to improve it. One of the most important things you can do to improve your credit score is to pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score. You should also keep your credit utilization low, which means not using more than 30% of your available credit. Finally, you should monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that there are no errors or fraudulent activity. So there you have it, our take on paying off debt and managing credit. These are both crucial skills for anyone who wants to improve their financial health and achieve their goals. By paying off your debts and managing your credit effectively, you can reduce stress, save money, and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.